Hey guys, Lego More back again. Today I have a Lego Connect of 2021. Ages 9 and up, 421 22, 665 pieces, cheap, Wrangler. This cost you 2021 is $49.99, $50. At the back, nice off-roading Jeep. Bags, so we can get 2 bags. It's all the wet pieces. Just take it here. It's nitrogen. Yeah, I'll show you 2 bags, that's it. Not much. Easy to build. It's 117 page. This is Jeep, real life Jeep, and this is all the new of 2021. I got that one right there. I have these two, but this is a future build. I'm just still saving them, think about them, what I want to do with them, and I have this one. You can check it down the channel. Hey guys, this is the instruction. This is the build. The doors can open both sides like that. You have some wheel in the back. This right here, you can move the wheel when you want to. Doors can close. They have the change here. To change the tires, move up and down. It's a cool build, nice easy build. And when you open the door, you can see in the seat. The front seat, not that much, just a wheel here, some chairs. Yeah guys, this is awesome. Small build. Easy that. This is nice. Off-roading for some little kids. Yeah guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.